If A plus B is equal to 4 and AB is equal to 12, what is the value of A and what is the value of B? Solution. A plus B is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. And AB is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 4. Then B is equal to 4 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. And from equation 2, AB is equal to 12. Let us substitute for B, which is 4 minus A. A bracket 4 minus A is equal to 12. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 4, 4A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 12. Then from here, this can be written as minus A square plus 4A is equal to 12. This is minus A square plus 4A. If you bring this 12 to this side, become minus 12 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus A square divided by minus 1. This is A square plus 4A divided by minus 1. This is minus 4A. Minus 12 divided by minus 1. This is plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to the coefficient of A square, which is 1. B is equal to the coefficient of A here, which is minus 4. And C is equal to the constant here, which is plus 12. Then A is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by A1 multiplied by C 12 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12, that is 48 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. And this is same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48, that is minus 32 over 2. Then A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 can be written as 16 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. This is the same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I root 2 over 2. A is equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 4I over 2 root 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus 2I root 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 2 plus 2I root 2 and A2 is equal to 2 minus 2I root 2. These are the value of A. We've got the value of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from Equation 3. B is equal to 4 minus A. Now B1 is equal to 4 minus A1 is 2 plus 2I root 2. And B2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 2I root 2. Then B1 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 2I root 2. B1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2I root 2. This is the value of B1. And B2 is 4 minus 2 plus 2I root 2. B2 is equal to 2 plus 2I root 2. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 2 plus 2I root 2, 2 minus 2I root 2. A2, B2 is equal to 2 minus 2I root 2, 2 plus 2I root 2. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 4. AB is equal to 12. Let us consider this using either A1, B1 or A2, B2. But I'm going to make use of this A1, B1. So we have A plus B. This is 2 plus 2I root 2 plus 2 minus 2I root 2 must be equal to 4. This cancel this. Then we have 2 plus 2 must be equal to 4. 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Let us consider this. AB, this is the same thing as 2 plus 2I root 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2I root 2 must be equal to 12. 2 times 2, this is 4 minus 2 times 2I root 2, 4I root 2. 2I root 2 multiplied by 2, this is plus 4I root 2. Then 2I root 2 multiplied by 2I root 2, this is 2 times 2, we have minus 4I square root 2 square. So this cancel this, all must be equal to 12. We have this cancel this as well. This is 4 minus 4 bracket I square bracket 2 must be equal to 12. I square is equal to minus 1. Then this is 4 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 12. This is 4 plus 4 times 2, 8 must be equal to 12. 4 plus 8, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.